Hey everyone! In today's Kinsta Quick Tip, you'll learn how to enable the Kinsta CDN on your WordPress site. First, go to your My Kinsta dashboard and click on Sites. Select your site, scroll down, and click on Kinsta CDN. This will begin to deploy a CDN zone for your site. This process can take up to 15 minutes. So while we're waiting for that, make sure you subscribe to Kinsta's YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram for more tips and tricks like this. Let's get back to the video. Now a random CDN domain will be assigned to your site, and it'll look something like this. Now that a zone has been created, MyKinsta will automatically enable the CDN for your site. All the static content such as images, CSS, and JavaScript files will now load directly from Kinsta CDN. And that's our quick tip for today. For more WordPress tips and tricks, visit kinsta.com/resources and be sure to subscribe to Kinsta's YouTube channel. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7 to help you out.